I look at you and it's easy to see. You are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met. Jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could have chosen anyone, but I choose you. Hop back and
Hi guys. So the previous clip you guys saw was like from Sunday. Today's now Tuesday. I don't like the way my face is looking in this clip, but we're just going to roll with it. We're just going to move. I can see all my dark spots, they're popping. But anyways, let's move past that. It's going to be clear one day. So that clip was on Sunday and it is now Tuesday. I didn't bother to do any vlog yesterday because I was home all through. No, actually, I was not home all through, but there was nothing to do. But the big update was I got my table. I went to IKEA. You'd have seen from the previous clip, I went to IKEA. I went to get the table and oh my goodness. It was a hassle. Let me just tell you that. It was so the thing is, I had an idea of what table I wanted. I checked and it was available in store and everything like that. So it was like I checked the size of the weight of it. I'm like, it's not heavy, I can lift it. I mean, I'm no heavy weight lifter or anything, but I can manage some 7 kg, 6 kg. Wait, was it what 7 kg? No. It was like around 5 kg. I'm like, oh, that should be fine. Tell me why did I get to IKEA? I saw the table and you know what? I did not imagine the dimension. To think I actually went with a bag, you know those big IKEA long bags. I was thinking the tabletop should fit this bag. Like I should be able to carry it comfortably in this bag because those bags are quite large. Like they are long, so they will fit like anything that is long. So I was thinking it should be fine. Tell me why did I get there? I realized it could not even take anything from the table. Like I did not think about this part, and I spent another part was I bought the wrong bus ticket. So I like to buy my ticket on this Go Northeast app. So I already spent like £7.80 on ticket when I could have bought a ticket of like £4.70. It was like I'm ready at IKEA. I'm not going to go back. And I honestly, at this point, you can crown me the queen of going out on the wrong days. Like throughout Sunday, it was raining. I mean, I could have easily postponed it to Monday, but I was like, let me just do it and forget about it so that I'll be able to use the table. Because if you know me, I'm sort of like a person that I cannot study on my bed. I cannot do anything on my bed. Plus, I had a graph that I needed to do. I'm going to do that graph on my bed. The only option was to go to the library. And I've been too lazy. Like on days that I'm not in school, like on days that I don't have physical classes, I will hardly go to school side or spend time in the library. It's just easier for me when I have a table. I can easily just set up and do my thing without, thinking too much about it. So I'm like, I have to get this table. So that was fine. I went in the rain and metro was not working. I had to go on bus. So I had like 3 transfers. Everything was a hassle. And I got to IKEA, I saw the table size. I'm like, I'm not going back home without this table. I have to get it. Inside bag, I'm like, I'm just going to lift this thing. It was not so heavy. I'm just going to keep carrying it around in the bus like that. Like when I enter the bus, it's usually like a struggle. Like I'm literally like shuffling, and the bus was so packed on that it was a Sunday. People were out and everything like that. So it was a struggle. I'm like, oh, I already paid £7.80. I have to get back home with this table. I am going home with this table. So I've set up my table and everything. I had to go out yesterday to get like a screwdriver. Then why did I buy this fake screwdriver? But then again, what do I need it for? I didn't want to buy an expensive screwdriver. Like I'll just go to Poundland and get whatever Poundland has. For me to get, I saw this £2.50. So I'm like, let me just buy this one. I got home, the screwdriver was doing one kind of like, oh, I'll just use it like that. Use it and forget about it after today. So I have the table. I'll show you guys what it looks like. I know an intro. Can you imagine? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope you like what you see. Please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll just show you guys what I get up to today. So today I'm on my way to, I just started this vlog. I'm actually like semi-ready to go for, so there's this flexible work that I applied to. So I'm going there to submit my document. And yeah, I'm supposed to be there by 2. It's actually not far from my house. It's probably like 30 minutes. So the thing is, I don't know if I want to walk or take bus. I can take the campus bus for free with my ID card, or I can walk down. So if I can take a free bus, why walk down? You get me? But then again, the bus time is going to determine if I'm going to wait or if I'm going to walk down. So yeah, let me show you the table before I talk too much. Let me see what the table looks like. Before I talk too much, the only thing I don't like about this iPhone camera, on my Samsung, you could, when you're recording, you could flip to your back camera and record, but it doesn't. You can't do that on iPhone, Abby. Is there a way? You can't do that on iPhone. You can't do that on iPhone. It's just one way recording. So when you want to flip to the back camera, you have to stop it and start again. You know what I mean? But I like camera. I like the recording. And I think I've not forgotten that I have an actual camera. This is just making vlogging easy for me. I forgot that I have an actual camera, but yeah, we'll roll with it. And the battery life is good, so I've been vlogging with this a lot. And I want to make it that throughout this vlog, I talk too much. Let me just shut up. Let me show you the table. You know what? I realized that I never show you guys like the actual morning part of my day. I just show you when I'm up and ready to go. I think I'm just going to do that today. I mean, let the vlog has a different. Let it have another dimension. Do you get what I mean? So it is. I think almost 7:30 now. Even ballers wake up very early. But the point of this talk is, I don't like waking up early, honestly. But I have to. I have no choice. So I woke up, did my salah, and yeah, I think I'm done. I don't know who else struggles with this morning, morning adhkar and evening adhkar. Like I proper struggle with the adhkar. Sometimes I do morning. One time I was very consistent. Sometimes I do morning, I just forget evening, or evening is even the highlight of it. Like I forget evening most of the time. But the easier way that I would say it works is like if I remember to do it after my salat, like just take that moment after Subi and after Asri, like just taking that moment out and doing it helps. So I think I'll go back to that because I've not been doing it lately, and I don't know, I just feel it's just nice. One of those little things. It's not little. It's just one of those things I would like to incorporate into my day-to-day life. Why is my face shining in the morning? We move. So the order of the day is to go take my bath and have breakfast, or have breakfast and go have my bath. I don't know which one I want to do yet.
I look at you and it's easy to see you are that someone I've been trying to meet. I got your number, won't you pick up the phone? Don't leave me hanging on the dial tone. Think back to the night that we met, jumping in the pool, talk to you, dripping wet. Nervous when I speak, so I trip on my tongue. Never thinking you would be my number one.
So this is my lunch for school, and this is breakfast, and this is my bottle of hot tea for no sleep. I'm dressed, lunch packed, and ready to conquer the world. I'll see you guys. I'm just going to talk to you guys as I walk. If it's not raining, let me see the weather. It's gloomy, but the rain has not started falling. But I don't trust this weather. I don't trust it. Let's go. Told ya. But that is gloomy. Looks like that even rained this morning. Let's. Other than the fact that October is my best month, I love October. Can you see the leaf colors? Like everyone's just brown and nice, and autumn vibes. Even though the October has almost ended, but I've actually told you guys that I've been consistent with the gym. I've been going to the gym on a steady. I just need to make a gym friend now, because for some reason, like, people are now so much in the gym compared to last year. Not because it's the beginning of semester, as usual, everybody will be eager to start. But other than that, well, it wasn't because I could not do other things, but because it's been a while I went to the gym. I'm like, don't kill yourself, just do these basics and keep it moving. I'm almost at my lecture place, so I'm not late anyway, so I'll see you guys later.
Where's the vlog?
I'm starting it now.
Oh, it's not your camera.
It feels, I'm using my phone. It actually feels weird talking to the camera when people are around me. So you guys, my house is a full house today. Oh. I have Hafsa here. You want to show your face? I'm putting it on my YouTube. Just so you know. It's going on my channel. Just so you are aware. Okay. What's that? Anyways, my house is a full house. First time that I'm not the only one at home, or it's not only me inside the vlog. I have visitors, humans. Sorry, I say I. So they're just looking at us. Your face is not even showing actually. Let me try to focus. There she is. Anyways, what are we doing? We're doing these fowls here. Chicky! we're dyeing the hair to, I don't know, we'll probably not see the results this night. Yeah. Maybe next time.
It's mixed enough.
Wear your apron. You can wear your lab coats if you want.
No! Something like they gave me one.
I can borrow you mine.
Well, let's use your own now.
After we're done, you can bleach it to white. You can bleach it back to white.
That was the funniest thing ever.
Yeah.
Does you end up buying a new one?
Yeah. I think they can give you a new one at the union. I'm not sure.
They can, but you buy it.
How much?
That's if you go bald.
Sorry.
It will grow, you guys. It's just hair.
It's just hair, I know, right?
It's just hair.
It's just hair. It's going to grow back. That's actually wild.
Think about it.
That's actually wild.
Jump in your car and we drive to the beach. The sun was setting, it was just you and me. Wind in my hair and the sand in my shoes. Could've chosen anyone, but I choose you. Jump in your car and we drive to the beach.
Let me tell you something. In this life, have money, so you don't have to be hustling. This is night time. This is Friday night. But I tell you that I forgot that I have a vlog because I've been thinking about money and shit. That's where my brain has been. So I just finished from the gym, and I remember when I was there, I was so scared. My shadow scared me. I remember when I was at the gym that, Mariam, you have a vlog and you're not vlogging. So I decided to show you some clips from the gym. That's if it is even nice. But I'm trying out this camera at night, and it's even nice. I mean, there's nobody, I'm not shy, nothing. I can hold my camera anywhere I like. So I've just finished from the gym now. More just like in the ugly. It's fine, sha. I just finished from the gym and I thought, is it outro? Should I come and do outro, or should I come and update you about my week, or what do I do at this point? So the last clip you probably saw before the gym was I dyed Hafsa's hair. Yeah, so we dyed her hair. About the results, it didn't turn out well. Actually it worked, but we didn't have enough dye, so some parts were still black and some parts were one kind sharp. So that was the last clip you saw, and that was on Wednesday evening. Yeah, that was Wednesday evening, and yesterday was Thursday. So I went to class. I started my class from 9 a.m. No, actually I did start my class from 9 a.m. I only had one class yesterday, and that was like 1 to 3. So I did my class, and that was it. Honestly, that was everything. And after my class, I went home. Yes, I went to the gym after my class. See, if I tell you that I'm already becoming like very serious with this gym, you'll be surprised. By the time I become a gym rat, you'll be surprised. So I went to the gym. Like yesterday was actually really, really good. And after that, what happened? Yeah, I had to go to work. I had a night shift, so I had to go to work last night. And that was it. And basically, the reason I don't like that work, they give locations that are so far. And basically, that work, the reason I don't like it is they give locations that are so far. Like if I'm going to work, my shift starts at 8 p.m. in the night. I'll be in the evening, 8 p.m. Yeah, but I have to leave home since like 6:30. So it's like 1 hour drive, 1 hour 30 minutes ride. These are the reasons why I don't like the shift. But anyways, it was fine. I even got there late because metro was delayed and everything. But that's okay. I was supposed to go to work tonight, but they cancelled my shift yesterday, so I'm free. But it's even a good thing that I'm free, because I would have not been able to go to the gym, number one, and I would have not eaten properly. At least when I woke up, I went downstairs, made my food, and came to the gym, and now I can go back home and study. And yeah, I'm just trying to end this video because there's nothing else to see. I try not to, like, my vlogs mostly end on Saturday, and today's Friday, and I'm going to work tomorrow evening, so most likely I will not talk to you guys. No quality lighting. That's it though. That's everything. Let me just end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed the snippets for my life. I'll try to be more consistent. Please support this girl so that I'll not have to be worrying for money. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let this channel be monetized. I'm begging. I am begging. I am a humble beggar. So that I don't have to worry about money. And yeah, that's it. Everything is also for money. Actually, I didn't. Everything is also for money. But anyways, yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next vlog starting on Monday, probably. Yeah, most likely Monday. And that's it. Basically, that's everything I have to show you. And yeah, let me cross this road. May motor not jam me. That's it. Peace out.